My name is Taklayamanout Mulgeta Kase. My role is as product owner in OneLogin and IT specialist. My company is Bonnie News. We have security risks like data breach, malware threats, and unauthorized access. All of those are our security issues and concerns. Before OneLogin, our process wasn't controlled and managed, because we have so many identities. We can just subscribe different solutions, and we have different identities in those solutions. So we had Active Directory, but it didn't fulfill our needs. But we had so many identities, you can say, before we implemented OneLogin. The risks are, we have different solutions with different logins and passwords. The benefits are we can offer our users, all applications in one place. That improves the user experience, and we have secured access of applications with MFA and everything, and we have one place to look, when we are accessing applications and when we are managing identities. That way it helps us a lot. Because we need to develop our way of authentication with behavioral authentication. We need to have risk analysis authentication, and that way we can offer passwordless. That makes simple for users and secure for us, using risk labels to analyze every risk. We are growing up a lot, and we are merging companies and like that, and OneLogin is a key part of in our process, integration of other companies, so we can integrate with other directories directly to OneLogin. That's the first process we are doing actually when we start integration. So we bring in them in collaboration tools, and so we can collaborate. So OneLogin is the first thing we are doing when we are integrating. And then onboarding process, it has simplified a lot, because when you are offboarding users, especially, you can have users who are unauthorized if you don't offboard them correctly. That is a key benefit of OneLogin too. You can have the best system or the best solutions, but working together is a good thing. We have amazing collaboration with OneLogin, and they are there where we need them, and we know how to implement it.